Welcome to our YouTube channel BSSS Setu. I hope you all are doing well. I am Minali Jain. We will be learning something new about water. So before that, I want to know, when you think of water, what image comes to your mind? Okay, rivers, waterfalls, nice pitter patter of raindrops, water from the tap, wonderful. Children love to float paper boats in rain puddle, but by noon the puddles start vanishing, or sometimes it's too sunny so it gets vanished completely. So where does the water go? Can anyone tell me? Okay, you will get to know the answer soon in this video. So can we say that it's a kind of miracle that the water has vanished away? Yes, we can say it's nature's miracle. I'll explain how. The sun's heat causes evaporation of water into vapor. So the water from the puddle vanishes. So can we say once the water is evaporated, it's gone forever? Then we have to find a new way to get water in place of that vanished water. No, my dear children. Our earth is like a terrarium. The same water that existed centuries ago still exists today. I'll show you how. As the sun rays fall on the water and heat it up by its heat, the water, which is in the form of liquid, turns into vapor. The process of a liquid surface changing into a gas is called evaporation. The water vapor cools down and gets collected, and it forms clouds. The process of changing of water vapor into liquid is called condensation. As the clouds are formed and are full of the water which was collected in them as a result of condensations, fall back to the earth. The water returning back to the surface is called precipitation and can also be in the form of rain, snow or hail. The process by which water continuously changes its form and circulates between ocean, atmosphere and land is known as the water cycle. So children, let's revise what we have learned today. The process of changing from a liquid to a vapor is known as evaporation. Second, condensation is the process in which gas changes into a liquid when it touches a cooler surface. Third, water that falls back to the earth in the form of rain, snow or hail is known as precipitation. The water cycle describes the continuous movement of water on, above and below the surface of the earth. Here is a fun fact that water cycle can be much more older than you think. We could be drinking the same water dinosaurs drank. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel.